Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys what I got in Echo Park's mystery box. They had a mini mystery box a couple of weeks ago and mine has arrived. I did order the mini mystery box plus some like single Halloween sheets because they also had 50% off Halloween going on at the same time. And then I may have ordered some Christmas. Those were full price, like regular sheets, like the $1.09. But I needed some cut aparts. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. So most of it's going to be from the mystery box though. And I'm excited to see what's inside because I've never gotten a mini mystery box. I think this was either $35 or $30 instead of the regular $50. I'm hoping there's none of that like transatlantic vintagey travel collection or the other like super vintagey one that I just don't know how to use. That's also travel, and hoping there's none of that. I am hoping there's Winnie the Pooh, but I highly doubt it because they didn't even have that in their regular warehouse sales. But I've been waiting for that collection. So you guys, we're gonna see. So let's get started and let's open this up. All right, so, oh, this is still taped up right here. Okay, let me take out my invoice. All right, so, yeah, so there's the warehouse box. Yeah, the box was $35. I did order, oh my gosh, I ordered way too many other sheets, you guys. Let me just show you guys. For example, I ordered all these other sheets here, all of those, and then the warehouse box is down here. So we'll see what's inside. Okay, I think these are my individual sheets. I think they packed them up separately, so I kind of know what's in what. But here we have a cute little catalog. Yeah, so they have just some other collections going on here. I do want some of their recipe cards. Those are cute pumpkins. I hope they put out some recipe cards soon. They announced that they have recipe cards, and I hope they put out some recipe cards in the warehouse sales soon because I would love to get some. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. I feel like, okay, I think these are all my individual sheets. So we're going to start with this first. So here's what's in my mystery box. So we got the Fall Fun collection. This is a 6x6 paper pad by Cartabella. I recently made an album with this. I don't know if I did finish it, I think. So you guys could check that out. So that's actually good because I didn't have any more of this collection. So I can add that to my stash. Or actually, I don't know. I may have gotten it in the last warehouse sale. I don't know. We got the Fall Fun ephemera that goes with it. So I know I don't have that, I don't think. We also got the chipboard. Okay, I'm glad we got some fall collections. We got some Disney. So this is Magical Birthday Boy. Even though you can use this for girl also, like they don't say boy specifically on here. There might be like one maybe that does. I don't even see one that does. These all look like they don't say, oh, this one says birthday boy. All the other ones you could just use for like a Disney birthday theme. Oh, I thought there was a Disney collection in here. I guess that's separate. We got some Fall Fun puffy stickers. I know I don't have this whole collection, so that's good. And I think I may have, I don't know, do I have another collection? I don't know. And we got a sticker book. That's new. I don't think I've ever gotten a sticker book in one of their mystery boxes. So I'm going to show you guys. I mean, it shows you like the sticker sheets on the back, and you usually could see those on the website as well. Like you could see what's in here, but this is going to be good. I like the little truck. I like these stickers. I approve. I love these. That'll be good to have in my stash. Then we also got this collection called A Cozy Christmas by Echo Park. I don't know if I have any more left in my stash, but this is a really cute collection, so I'm happy with this. And then there's only like, that's it for $35. And then we got this Fall Fun collection by Cartabella. So I guess I could use all of my stuff with that. But for $35, I think you'd get more. Like, especially because like their warehouse sales generally, like if I was to get these by itself, I could get these for $6.50 each, right? So that would be $13 here. The Fall Fun is what usually you could get. I think the cheapest is like, I don't know, $4 or so maybe. So let's even say $5. Let's pretend this was now $18. And then, I don't know. I don't feel like with their warehouse sales that this equates to $30, but maybe it does. So that's what was in my warehouse box. I'm actually glad there's no travel themed ugly vintagey paper, but I did get a Christmas collection, which we'll use. I did get the fall, which I really did like that Fall Fun collection. I used up like one whole entire collection kit, and then I started up using a mega pad also, which I think I didn't finish, but so that's good. I'm glad I got that collection. And yeah, I mean the Disney, I'll just add to my Disney stash. Just one little Disney thing there. But I have gotten over the years a ton of like Disney paper pads from them as well in these boxes. So I have a bunch of those that I gotta use. Anyway, so here is the individual sheets that I also picked up. So like I said, Halloween was 50% off. What just happened here? Oh my gosh, my box was sticky. I don't know, that may have been from my apple juice yesterday, but anyway, all clean now. So I got all of this paper here. Like I said, Halloween was 50% off. So I got this one, but again, I got it for the cut aparts. So I got a couple of those, even though the back side is cute too. It is cute, but I did get it for cut aparts. I got this one, Sweater Weather. Well, this one, you guys, I love the plaid, but I did also get it for the cut aparts, even though I love that side. Maybe I should have gotten more. But this is a cute collection. I don't even think I have this collection in my stash, but I was honestly loving these cut aparts. Next time, if they do have this in like a warehouse sale, I'll probably get the whole collection. But the cut aparts were really cute. Actually, wait, I might have this collection in my stash. Now I don't know. But I did just want the cut aparts. The cut aparts is what I was mainly getting all of these for. I got this one from the Harvest collection by Cartabella. And again, mainly for the cut aparts. That's all I wanted. I hope I got Christmas now too. Now I can't even remember. I got Birthday Girl cut aparts. So I got these Birthday Girl. I got to make some birthday projects. Something I never really get to, but I really want to make some. So I thought I could just mix and match these with some other papers in my stash. I got some Birthday Boy ones as well. And this one too for Birthday Boy. Then I got, okay, I do have Christmas. 4x4 is exactly what I needed to finish my other 3 projects I got going on. So I'm making like these folios, and I needed 4x4 here for a waterfall. So I started like these 3, and I've been waiting for these cut aparts to arrive so I could finish those folios that I started. So that's going to be good. I'm going to put that on the bottom. So I, actually, I'm going to put it on the side for now. So I know to use those. These are 3x4s. I think I have more 4x4s here too, though. These are Halloween ones. Can never have too many cut aparts, and I love me some cut aparts. I got some of the vertical cut aparts. Then the 3x4s. This was a cute collection too. This is from the, what is this? It just says Halloween. What collection is this? Is it just called Halloween? They all just say Halloween, so I don't know. Maybe it's just called Halloween. So I got those. Then I got some Dynamite cut aparts. I have the collection, and I was like, okay, we'll just get some more cut aparts. So I got that. Okay, these I'm going to put aside also. These are 4x4s, so these may match better to what I'm working with right now with the paper. So I'm going to put that aside. But yeah, 4x4 is exactly what I wanted. These are birthday salutations, so 3x4s. I was thinking of making some like simple birthday cards with like a cut apart on the front for my craft fair. These are from the Halloween Party collection by Echo Park, some 4x4s. Also from the Halloween Party, this is like a mix of cut aparts and sizes. Same collection, but 3x4s. And like all of these backs are so pretty. Why do they put pretty sheets on the back sides? I will never know. This is why I always need to get like extra cut apart sheets. Okay, then I also got the Halloween Magic. These are 6x4. And you get like one vertical one here. And then also Halloween Magic 3x4s. And 4x4s. And then I got some doggy ones. I forgot about those, but you always need more doggy ones because I always use the cut aparts. So I needed to add this to my stash of doggy paper. So I have the My Dog. That's from the My Dog collection. So is this one, 3x4s. And then some more Halloween. This is from the I Love Halloween. Some 4x4s. Then multi-journaling cards with different sizes. Then we're back to, this is birthday, it's your birthday. And we got this. We got some from the I Love My Cat collection. I have the collections, I just needed more cut aparts. On this one. And this one's also the same. Okay, and then the other ones, these ones are from the I Love My Dog. They're just really cute. I didn't think they had the 3x4s for the I Love My Dog, because otherwise I would have gotten it. And then the Welcome Fall 3x4 journal cards as well. So like I said, guys, I was just getting a bunch of like cut aparts that I needed. The Halloween was 50% off. Everything else was regular $1.09 price, but that's okay. My cut aparts will get used up. And yeah, so I'm gonna organize these, and then I gotta make dinner. Making broccoli cheddar soup today in sourdough homemade bread that is like pumpkin shaped, and I'm so excited to have some broccoli cheddar soup in my sourdough pumpkin bread. Well, sourdough shaped pumpkin bread. Pumpkin shaped sourdough bread. There you go. Anyway, so I'm excited to get all this stuff done. I will organize this first though and put this away into their bins. So obviously you got the dogs, the cats, the Halloween, the Christmas, and the birthday ones that I gotta separate and organize. But yeah, that is my haul, you guys, for the Echo Park mystery box that they had, plus some other additional things that I got, and that is all. So let me know if you guys got the box and if you guys got the same stuff, or if you got maybe like a different collection. I want to know what you got, because that was very little. In my opinion, I was expecting a little bit like another collection, at least like 3 collections would have been good. But let me know, because there was only a couple of collections to choose from, so I wonder if all of these boxes were actually different or not. All right, so that is all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.